Growing lettuce at home from seeds is super easy. All you need to do is just follow this video very carefully. Here we will see how to grow lettuce from seeds with all the step-by-step details and updates. So keep following this video and do subscribe to our channel. Lettuce is a hardy and an easy to grow annual vegetable plant that likes a cool area to grow. If you are just starting with vegetables, it's the best choice for you. Lettuce plants have many varieties like iceberg, romaine, etc. All have specific appearance. This is the most common green lettuce that can be grown indoors as well as outdoors. Basically, lettuce is a native to Mediterranean regions and used as a salad worldwide. The impressive thing about lettuce is that they will be ready to harvest within a month or so. Their fertilization requirement is also less, so overall it's best for beginners, so must give it a try. The first and the most important thing to grow lettuce from seeds is understanding the right season to sow their seeds. Basically, lettuce plants likes a cool area to grow, so the best time to grow them would be right before the winters. As they grow quickly, you can also grow them in a colder region all over the year, but the best time would be springs or early winters. The next most important thing to grow lettuce from seeds is choosing the good quality and fresh seeds. Also make sure to choose the right type of variety for your area. Some local varieties grow very healthily. Don't try to grow some rare varieties, especially if you are just starting with lettuce plants. Also make sure the seeds are fresh. Older seeds have lesser germination rate and the plants will be weaker as well. You can also explore some of the good quality lettuce seeds linked in the description box. They are all good quality. About the soil mix, a well-draining and loose soil mix is best to grow lettuce seeds. Hard and compact mixture can be a hurdle for better seeds germination, so you can also make a good seed starter at home. Follow the video linked in the I button and description box. For the pot, any 3 to 5 inches of pot is good. Make sure it have a few drainage holes. For sowing lettuce seeds, water the soil first. These are the lettuce seeds as they are small in size, so be careful. Make sure to place them evenly with proper distancing. Don't sow too many seeds, just as much the pot have the space of. Cover them with a fine layer of same seed starter or coco peat. Mist some moisture over the soil surface using a spray bottle. Don't throw water over the soil mix. Now place this pot in a very well lit area, not in the sun and not in the shade. Just a semi-shaded area works very well. Within a few days, the tiny seedlings of lettuce plants will pop out. At this stage, a good lit area is very important, otherwise they get laggy and die. Also, you can subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Within a few more days, the seedlings will be on their own feet. At this stage, water very gently. Try to use a spray bottle. Within a few more days, the lettuce seedlings will be ready to transplant and will have a few true leaves. You can transplant them when they are at least 15 to 20 days old. Gently get the seedlings out of the pot and transplant them in a wider pot that have at least a few inches of depth. For single lettuce plant, a 5 to 6 inches of pot is enough. I am using these wider grow bags that have excellent drainage system. You can also buy them from the description box link. For soil, I am using a loose and a well draining soil mix. You can also buy a good mixture from the description box link. Carefully put the seedlings in the soil and cover the seedlings up to this level where the crown starts. This way transplant all the lettuce seedlings. Remember to leave enough space between two plants so they can grow healthily. Water them frequently and place this pot in a semi-shaded area away from direct sunlight for a few days. Within a few days, you will see your lettuce plants will be healthy and growing again. Now you can give them a full day of sunlight or at least make sure they receive 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight. Deficiency of sun can appear in the form of laggy and dull growth. Also, leaf color will be like parrot or yellowish, so make sure they have a sunny spot. Within a few more days, the lettuce plants will be growing. At this stage, you can fertilize them using a nitrogen-enriched fertilizer. The best option would be this homemade organic fertilizer that I have made specially for vegetables using very simple ingredients. Video on this is added in the description box and I button, must check it out. And fertilize your plants every 10 days, but I am not going to fertilize them at this stage as I have already included some compost in the soil while the transplant. So here we have the final lush green and healthy look of these lettuce plants. Now they are ready to harvest. If you leave them, the better taste of lettuce leaves will be lost. So try to harvest them when the leaves are younger. Simply use a clean cutter and cut above the crown of the plant. This is the crown from where the new leaves grow. This way harvest all the lettuce leaves. So here we have the final harvest of lettuce plants. You can easily use them as a salad or for cooking, etc. In a cool area, you can also store them for up to a week or so. For these plants, I will fertilize them using the same fertilizer and leave them for growing again. They will be ready within 10 to 15 days for harvesting again. Now let's talk a little about what type of problems you could have been encountered with while growing lettuce. As general, lettuce plants don't have so many issues, but for the pest, aphids, snails and slugs can appear. As a prevention, you can use Neem spray that is also added in the description box to buy. Sometimes pest attack can be a really disturbing thing for all type of vegetables. So for their 100% removal from your whole garden, I have made an ebook that you can follow and say goodbye to all type of pest over your whole vegetable garden. It's linked in the description box, must give it a try. So it's all about growing lettuce from seeds. To learn more about lettuce and other type of vegetables, here is the link to our website with hundreds of resources there. Must check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.